Hey you guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to see your calculator's history. So the default calculator app on your iPhone doesn't actually have a history that you can access. So if you're doing a bunch of different calculations and you want to be keeping track of these and go back and look at them, there are some methods you can use to do this, and I'm going to go over all of those in today's video. One alternative would be to copy your recent calculation and then use the memory buttons in the app. So I'm going to go over those right now. So if you didn't want to be opening up your calculator app, copying and pasting from one app to the other, there's a quick copy and paste method that you can use. And you can do this through your control center. So we're just going to slide down from the right hand side of the screen to the left. And we're going to find our calculator app here. All we're going to do is press and hold, and we can copy our last result here. And then you could paste it somewhere like your notes to keep track of your calculations there. The next way would be to use screen recording to keep track of your calculations. The first thing you want to do is enable screen recording into your control center or add it into your control center. If you don't have it in there already, to do this, it's super simple. To customize our control center, we're going to slide down again. And in the top left corner, we're going to find that little plus icon. We're going to add a control here at the bottom. And we can scroll through and find the ones we'd like to add. If we didn't already have screen recording in here, we're going to add it like this. It's just going to be added right there. I have a second one now just because I already have one, but if you didn't, it would be added right next to your other icons. Now, once that screen recording option is added, to start screen recording, you're just going to select that button here. It's going to give you a countdown from 3, and once it's recording, up in the top left corner, you're going to have a red indicator that you are now recording. If you wanted to stop recording, you can either slide back down and select the recording button again to stop it. Another way would be to select the red indicator at the top here, and it'll give you that option to stop your screen recording as well. Once you've stopped recording, the screen recording is going to be added to your photo library where you can go through and you can watch it and keep track of all of those calculations. Next, you can use the memory function in the calculator app. So when we slide down and open up our calculator, and in the bottom left corner, we'll select the calculator option here. You want to make sure it's in scientific mode. So the M+ option here allows you to save the most recent calculation number here. And then when you type in another number, what you can do is select MR to recall that last number that you put in. So this is another way to save the history of your calculations. However, if this isn't to your liking, there are some calculator apps out there that allow you to access your history. So one of the best free choices for apps out there is Calculator with History Plus. This has full access to your calculator's history, no ads, and it also mimics the appearance of the iOS app itself. Another one is Numerical Squared. It's a calculator app with a feature that you can access your calculator's history as well. Calcularium is another great one. This one allows you to edit and reuse your calculation history. So you can check out those three if you want to find an app that actually allows you to access your iPhone's calculator history. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that all of this information was helpful. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.